So while ATMs are reopened in the middle of the night, midnight was the time given to them. They have been fueled. The government has said that they have ensured that they will be supplying money to these ATMs so that the public is not inconvenienced. But a quick check in the morning by reporters have said it's not 100% functionality. Even in Mumbai, which is the commercial hub of India, where many people were seen standing in queue from 6 a.m. today morning as well, but disappointed as banks that had promised to serve their customers falling short of it. Now only 100 rupees will be dispersed from the ATM for the moment. 2000 rupee is the limit per day for withdrawal till November 18. So even as the new 2000 rupee note has made a debut, you cannot get it from the ATM. You have to walk up to your branch, bank branch, to ensure that you get that exchange. Also, post offices are open. If you don't find ATM and bank's room over there, but you can always go up to any post office in your locality where cash transaction and exchanges are happening. Withdrawal limit from bank is set about 10,000 rupees per day. Let's take a look at how the situation is in the capital. My colleague Parveena getting us this report.
Friday morning seems to be no different than Thursday morning. Remember, from today the ATMs were supposed to function. We are in central Delhi, and remember, this is one of the prime locations where in and around there are many offices. People thronged in this morning to get some cash out of ATMs. We are outside ICICI ATM. We got messages that they would be giving us cash of 100 or 2000 from the ATM, but they have already put this board which says this ATM is temporarily out of service. Similar situations both outside many such ATMs which have put already such kind of board and they are not functioning, causing immense inconvenience and difficulty for the citizens who need money. Now they are left with no options but to stand in queue, and if they can exchange their denomination to the new currencies. Here we have a long queue which you can see that they filled up the form and then trying to exchange their old currencies. Sir, आप आए थे कि कुछ ATM से पैसे मिल जाए, पर आपको मिला नहीं, तो आपके पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है, पर आप यहाँ पे?
जी मैम, हमारे पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है, हमें पैसे चाहिए, तो हम सोच रहे हैं कि चलो 4000 का एक्सचेंज करा लेते हैं, और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं।
दूसरा कोई ATM ट्राई किया?
मैम कोई भी ATM नहीं चल रहा, मैं लक्ष्मी नगर से ऑन दी वे यहाँ तक आ रहा हूँ, कोई भी ATM नहीं चल रहा।
आप लोगों ने ATM
यस मैम ट्राई किया था, बट कोई रिस्पॉन्स ही नहीं था, कोई रिस्पॉन्स नहीं था मैम।
Heard them that none of the ATMs are really working, left with no options but to queue up in front of the banks. They need to attend office, but they are delaying now, and which has caused major problem. Remember, this is not only causing problem to the citizens, even bank officials are in immense pressure to perform, to deliver and to give the service to the citizens. For now it looks it will be a long day. Citizens will face inconvenience and disappointment. A sense of disappointment is felt here among the citizens as well as the bank officials not able to deliver them on time. With camera person Lokendra, this is Parveena, Delhi, India Today.
So let me take you through the limit for ATM withdrawal in case you're walking up to your neighborhood ATM and it is working. Then it's only 2000 rupees per day that you can withdraw till 18th of November, post which you can withdraw 4000 rupees per day. Now let me go across to my colleague Moshmi, who's standing with us from Parliamentary Street. She's getting us all the details. Parveena joining us from Connaught Place, and also we have Virendra joining us from Mumbai. Now Moshmi, first coming to you, you are near an ATM. Is it working?
Yeah, Parveena, Devina will also, I'm standing at the State Bank of India ATM right inside, and I've just put in my card. We are trying to see whether the ATM is working, because people said that it's not working. They're saying you try and insert your card again. We do that again. All right. So it's saying your card was not processed properly. Was it properly inserted? So this ATM is just opened. Dave and I will try yet again. So here's the card. We've inserted it. It's a State Bank ATM, and we put in our PIN here and press here. So we've done that. Cash withdrawal. All right. Doesn't seem to be working. All right. So you can see, Devina, we are stuck here. It doesn't seem to be working. And that's perhaps the problem with every ATM here. Transaction timed out. Couple of people tried to enter the ATM and try to take out cash. It is just open, but it's saying it has no cash. And just next to it, you can see this is the queue for the ICICI Bank ATM. People have queued up here, trying to actually get their way through, trying as early as possible. Early morning, people gathered here, trying to get their way through. Ma'am, you've been standing here for a while now. I hope to get some cash. The ATM, did you try the ATM?
I need to deposit.
You need to deposit. Did you try the ATM?
It's not working.
It's not working.
Still not open.
So what do you do?
I'll wait. What can I do?
Otherwise, do you work?
Yeah, I'm working.
So how do you see this government's move? Do you think that it's a good move?
I don't see any netas coming here. I don't see anyone having the black money coming and depositing their money. Only the Aam Janata is standing here, all getting frustrated, you can see.
Let's get a sense, Devina, who all are actually standing. And she is actually right. If you see, even outside Bank of Baroda, we saw the Aam Aadmi actually queuing up. You didn't have the posh businessmen, the high-profile netas actually queuing up to get the cash. It is the Aam Aadmi, the working class, the middle class, who's actually jostling in lines. Perhaps your work will be affected today.
No, there is a problem for little bit, no issue. But this is a good initiative by the government. And thanks to Narendra Modi.
How are you placed, ma'am?
Nice. I'm here from last 20 minutes, I guess, and I'm still in the queue, waiting.
Perhaps your charming smile, you can pass it on to other people who are actually grumbling and mumbling.
Sure. And actually, it's a good move. I'm actually liking it, but the queue is, and I'm having marriage at my home, so it's a big problem.
The Prime Minister says that, you will have to face a small inconvenience for the country's interest. Are you ready to bear that?
No, I have marriage at home. I have wedding at home, and I can't bear that actually.
Can't bear that.
We have wedding at home, we need cash for that, and we don't have it. So we have to stand in queues, and we are only getting 10K per day. So it's not good.
So how are you figuring it out as far as wedding preparations?
We are borrowing. We are doing
So Devina, you can get a sense of the cross-section of people who have actually gathered, and you know, an hour earlier we had spoken to this lady here who was actually queuing up, and you still didn't have a chance to get in.
No. Yeah, I did.
Going to get pulled up at office, or perhaps your boss will also not land up on time?
Thankfully, my office timing is a little, late, so it's okay for me.
So Devina, you can hear
Right.
how people, actually there's a mixed reaction amongst people. They are appreciating the move, but as far as the mismanagement is concerned, they're upset about that.
So 60 minutes plus queue outside a key bank. Also ATM not working where Maushmi is reporting from. IMF has already sounded a cautionary note. Let me go across to Virendra from Mumbai. Virendra, you had reported in the morning that it's another locality of Lal Bagh, which is a commercial hub in Mumbai, where several people have been facing difficulties. It is a bitter pill for a better time, no denying, but could have seen a better management for over 2 lakh ATMs that are there in the country.
That's true, Devina. In fact, this is a place where I'm standing. At least 4 leading banks have the ATMs. ICICI Bank, IDBI Bank, Yes Bank and Axis Bank. All the ATMs are not working. There's no money, not a single money has been put in the machine for the benefit of the people. All banks are giving the forms in the hand. We have a lady with us standing since morning. Ma'am, tell me, what is the basic complaint line? Is ATM working?
No, ATM is not working.
So what is the option given to you?
Then the only option is exchange.
Okay.
And deposit. And deposit, you can deposit only if you have an account in the bank. Otherwise, you can't deposit.
Were you expecting such a mismanagement by the banks even today? Because today was the second day. Because they should have given.
Yeah, the queues are long and the wait is very long.
Yeah.
4 hours, 5 hours in queue. And it is quite tiresome because some banks don't give don't allow the senior citizens to come in.
Exactly. Let me show you the Devina. Let me show you the crowd here. This is the Yes Bank ATM crowd because these people were very surprised. They had come to take out the money from the ATM machine, but they have been handed over the forms. You know, these are the कब से खड़े हैं?
मैं यहाँ करीब 1.5 hour से खड़ा हूँ।
ATM से पैसा आ रहा है?
नहीं, ATM बंद है। कहाँ से आ रहा है?
नहीं आ रहा है। Let me show you another ATM. This is the Yes Bank. This is the Axis Bank. See the crowd. See the line. The people are standing since 7 o'clock in the morning, and even they have the form in their hand. This is the situation across the Mumbai city. And when we spoke to the ICICI Bank corporate communication, they have said officially saying that till last night they had put a lot of money in the ATMs. The money has been withdrawn because due to high demand, and there's no technical issue of server, but they are trying to fill the ATMs across the country. That's the official reaction from ICICI Bank, but that would be completely insufficient for the people. अगर एटीएम मशीन बंद है तो आप लोग अभी क्या आपको लगता है कि बैंक के पास जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है उनको कोप अप कर लेना चाहिए?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं है, कोई सर्विस नहीं मिलेगी। बहुत परेशानी हो गई हमारे को साहब। अभी जो आदमी कल 4,000 रुपए कैश निकाल चुका है उसको आज वापस निकालने को नहीं हो रहा है। अभी वो कल खर्चा हो गया।
You can see the voice. The people are making voices, and the lady inside, the branch manager, she's trying to control the people, to tell the people that just have patience. They will get the money. So this is the situation. This is the situation here. The people are started arguing with the security officer and the bank officials, saying that they need the money. So this might be the situation at every corner in Mumbai, not only Mumbai but maybe across the country. Back to you, Devina.
Well, right behind you, Virendra, we can see that there's an argument breaking out with the bank officer. Now they're also helpless because they've been given limited window, they're limited staff. They have to ensure that they deal with angry customers who are queuing up at their door. The ATM's major challenge is that first, many of them require an updated software to dole out money. Second, they need cash with them, with multiple people gathering to withdraw money. Many of them are temporarily out of service. They need to be refueled. And third is of security. Fourth is of management. So let me go across to Indrajit as well, who's joining us from Kolkata. Indrajit, we managed to speak to some people earlier in the morning. They had queued up since last night as well. What's the situation right now around you? Is there also chaos erupting?
Well, Devina, I showed you one of the bank ATMs in the morning where there was a long queue. However, the ATM was closed. I've, come to another place where there are two ATMs that my camera person can show. One is a HDFC Bank ATM. The shutters are down. And here is the ICICI Bank ATM, if my camera person can show. It's open, but let me just do a reality check as to whether it is working or not. And here it is. It's written out of service. So this is what most people who were anticipating that they would be able to withdraw some much needed cash today after 2 days of ATM services being temporarily disrupted, they were in for a shock this morning. They were all prepared. They came quite early in the morning. They were waiting for about 2-3 hours, and finally what came out was this. So, quite a lot of inconvenience as far as customers are concerned. Even though most of these private sector banks like HDFC and ICICI, they have been sending bulk SMSs to their customers saying that the ATMs would be available from this morning. However, the reality is completely different.
Well, it's interesting, Indrajit, because ICICI and Axis Bank are two banks which have said they have waived off surcharges over multiple withdrawals. You're allowed 4 withdrawals in a month. They've said that we understand what the customers may be going through. We have waived off the surcharge fees that you may incur if you're using our bank ATMs. You may not have our bank card. You may be of another bank as well. But if you have an account in any other bank and you're using that card in our branches, we welcome that. But are these all paper promises? Are these easier said than done as well? Let me go across to my colleague Parbina, who is joining us at the moment. Parbina is joining us from Connaught Place. She's been speaking to a lot of people as well. Now, Parbina, we know that you showed us how there is another board which was outside Connaught Place. A prominent bank ATM said ATM temporarily out of service, and that's the scene that we've seen across the country. Have you been able to speak to the bank managers as well? When do they believe that now their ATMs can start working smoothly? Because believe it or not, but India is running on plastic money and e-transactions for the past 48 hours, or credit that's building up in grocer's book in your nearest neighborhood chaiwala.
Well, Devina, just 5 minutes ago I spoke to the management. They said by 12 the ATMs should start working. So that is what we expect for now. Interestingly, Devina, what we have seen, angry citizens as well as some citizens who are understanding that what is the pressure these bank officials are handling. You cannot take away the fact they are working relentlessly and trying to do the best they can. I have with me one of the senior citizens who came to me and said that one cannot take away the fact, and let us be positive, that they are trying their best, and he said that he was really served well. Within 3 minutes his problem was solved. So you really appreciated it. You said that they did the best they could.
Yes, absolutely. They have made it well. They have well organized, well behaved, very humble, very courteous, and they freed me within 3 minutes. They exchanged my notes on the table. I'm just sitting on the sofa and they gave me.
So would you want to say there are some citizens we have seen every 10 minutes there is a scuffle or there is some verbal spat going on between the management and the citizens? Anything would you want to tell them?
Yes, they are illiterate, have a patience and enough money, don't panic. They are well managed, they are very good people. I have seen at least 12 counters are working there. The lady come to me, escorts me till the counter and get the things done within 2-3 minutes.
Right. So interestingly, there you see, Devina, a mixed feeling here, mixed response here. Here I have another gentleman who has been restlessly and cluelessly walking to and fro. That is what I have been noticing, that is not able to manage some money. Sir, आप बताएंगे आप काफी टाइम से ये PNB बैंक यहाँ बैंक जा चुके पर पैसे मैनेज नहीं कर पाए?
मैं करीब 1 घंटे से खड़ा हूँ और 2 दिन से इंतजार कर रहे थे एटीएम खुलेंगे. अभी तक एटीएम नहीं खुले. बहुत परेशान हो रहे हैं.
So there you see, Devina, mixed reaction, mixed feeling, even though they welcome it, but some kind of disappointment as well as appreciation is there.
So it will take time for these loopholes to be smoothed out. It will take time for situation to normalize. Parveena and also Maushmi, and we have Indrajit who've joined us. Thank you for joining us for this moment. Cutting across to the Economic Editors Conference, but before that, let me just give out a word of caution. Maushmi, change your pin. You've released it on the national television when he was showing us that the SBI ATM is not working. While you do that, let's go across to Venkaiah Naidu. Let's take a look at what he is saying on the black money crackdown policy of the government.
From the day one, कुछ लोग कह रहे हैं अचानक कर दिया, पहले बताए तो छिपाते थे. Some people are saying they should have been given an advance notice. Advance notice for what? I am not able to understand. See, when we came to power, please note, economy was in a bad shape. I am not making political criticism. There was fiscal deficit, there was revenue deficit, there was trade deficit, there was current account deficit, above all trust deficit. That has been taken care by our government, number one. With the macro and economic indicators looking much better now, the International Monetary Fund has forecast the Indian economy is expected to grow by 7.5%. And the India grows, the benefit should go to the common people rather than again reaching the rich. The FDI inflows have increased by 29% during April-March 2016 to 40 billion as compared to the same period last year. The foreign exchange reserves are at 367.14 billion in the week up to October. So what I am trying to say is the latest decision to demonetize was not taken in isolation. Through the announcement was sudden. Though the announcement was sudden, it was part of several steps. Number one, the first cabinet meeting of the Government of India held on 27th May 2014. First meeting. Number one agenda in the cabinet was constituting SIT, Special Investigation Team under Justice M.B. Shah to tackle the menace of money slashed abroad. That's the first decision. Second was black money, undisclosed foreign income and assets and imposition tax 2015 came into effect on July 1st, 2015. Second, the third step was including the constitution of a multi-agency group into Panama paper leaks, joining global efforts to combat tax evasion and black money by joining Ministerial Competent Authority Agreement, multilateral, in respect of automatic exchange of information, AEIO, and having an information sharing arrangement with the US under its Foreign Account Tax Companies Act, FATCA. Fourth, India entered into a double taxation avoidance agreement with several countries, including tax havens like Mauritius and Cyprus. An automatic exchange of information agreement was also negotiated with Switzerland to clamp down on black money. Fifth, recently, income tax declaration scheme was also implemented, and the Prime Minister has warned personally through Mann Ki Baat that please cooperate, because this will be the last chance for tax evaders. That is advance warning. What else you need? He has said it in many words in the Mann Ki Baat. With the parallel economy assuming menacing proportion, black money being used to fund terrorism, criminal activities, playing an important role in politics of the country, the government has to take this decisive and bold measure, and this is what is done by Sri Narendra Modi. The historic step is being hailed by one and all, except some vested interests. Yesterday, I used a phrase, dear citizens, don't be panicked. If you have valid money, it will not be invalid. If you have valid money, it will not be invalid. Because some vested interests are trying to create a panic. भाई 500 rupees खत्म हो जाएगा, 1000 rupees खत्म हो जाएगा, बेकार हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा. नहीं, बेकार नहीं हो जाएगा, वो साकार होगा. मगर उसको आकार अच्छा है तो उनका प्राकार भी ठीक है तो ऑटोमेटिकली वो साकार होगा. माने if you have hard earned money, accounted money, and still the notes are there with you, there is no problem in exchanging those notes. Please take it from. I would request all the media, particularly electronic media, nobody of course I am told except from 495 channels, one channel from Tamil Nadu. Other than that, all channels are praising the step taken by the government, but some of them are devoting more time saying that यहाँ ये हो रहा है, वो दिक्कत है, ये दिक्कत है. ठीक है, दिक्कतें अच्छा है, वो दिक्कतें को सरकार एड्रेस कर रहे हैं, मगर उसी को हाईलाइट करना जो मुख्य जो उद्देश्य है उसको थोड़ा कम करना, इससे देश को फायदा नहीं होगा. I don't know, some people are saying you should have given us a notice and this is like emergency. What is emergency? I am not able to understand. What is emergency? Things are all moving. Cars are moving, trains are moving, metro is moving, rail is moving, people are moving, minds are moving. Everything is moving except black money.
Venkaiah Naidu this morning, one to the Aam Aadmi, don't panic. If you have money which is accounted for, you will not be under scrutiny. It's just for a few days. Inconvenience is there, but there's been an international appreciation as well for India's effort. And the second one, and more important one, the political attack and the counter of what BSP chief Mayawati yesterday referred to as the economic emergency. Venkaiah Naidu categorically denying it and saying, what is emergency? It's a great measure, and this is just a rattled opposition talking.